Hello guys, in this video we're going to learn how to hard refresh our web pages in Edge app on Android. Right now this is the Edge app that I have opened, and if I go to home screen, this is the home screen, and if I want to refresh a web page, I can just open that page and I can tap on this reload icon here, which will just refresh the web page without deleting any cache or cookies. But if I want to hard refresh the page, what I need to do is I need to tap on this padlock icon here, and at the top you have this second option, which is cookies and site data. Select that, and once you have selected that, you have this delete command here, which will delete the cache data. Right now I don't think any cache has been saved because I just recently cleared my data. But if I just browse a little bit on this page, on this website, okay, so I have browsed. So yeah, I can tap on this padlock icon here and visit this cookies and site data, and it will display the amount of data that has been stored. Now if I want to hard refresh entire website on all pages, what I can do is I can tap on this menu bar and go to settings, and within the settings select the privacy and security, and I have the first option which says clear browsing data, and from here I can choose these two options. One is the cookies and site data and cache image and files. So these are the two options that is basically used for hard refreshing the page. So once you have selected, you can choose the time range as all time, and then once it is done, you can hit on the clear data and then choose clear data option. So this will clear the cache data for all the websites that you have visited, which will essentially perform a hard refresh. And once you are done, you can just simply go and reload the page that you want to hard refresh, and then it will be reloaded. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.